Hey, babe.
Hi.
We did it.
We're here.
You left me hanging.
Sorry.
Look at those mountains behind us. All right, just plugged in. Gonna go up to the marina office, but God, it's beautiful up here. Hi, everyone, and welcome aboard. We are Pat, Alexa, and this fluffy monster is Gilligan the fat boat cat. We live aboard our 57-foot Nordhavn Noeta. After a couple of years on Mexico's mainland, we recently crossed to the rugged Baja to explore the Sea of Cortez. Our home base for the next 6 months will be Marina Puerto Escondido, so we thought we'd take you on a tour of it today. Look at these mountains. All right, we got to Loreto, Marina Puerto Escondido yesterday, and easy cruise up, and we're here. It's kind of surreal, actually.
Yeah.
I mean, we wanted to get here for so long. Let me just show you this mountain range behind us.
Yeah.
It's called Las Gigantas, and again, video just doesn't do it any justice at all. These mountains, Giganta means what you think it means, gigantic. And they really just are huge. And it's a stunning setting for the Sea of Cortez. So we'll explore this area by land on days we can't explore by water. Here's the new docks they've been working on. A couple that clearly aren't finished yet. But these are all new over here. So they are definitely building it up. So far, service here at this marina is spectacular. We got here and there were 2 guys waiting on the docks, getting our lines and situated, and then they were like, well, want us to move a cleat? And I'm like, oh, that's a lot of work. And
The cleats are on a slide.
yeah, what a cool system. I'll show you. But so he's like, then 10 minutes later, they had the guy with the tools come down and he slid the cleat, so our spring line was nice and set. And so today one of them checked, is like, hey, how you doing, you need anything, just let me know. And I have the WhatsApp number for the gals in the office. They have all the answers. So services, they're just very friendly, and I expect great things.
Yeah. Figure out if I can compete from here year round.
Well, yeah, that's the most important thing. So this is the Captain's Lounge at Marina Puerto Escondido. And it's a nice air-conditioned space. Got a big sofa, big TV. TV. Great view out there of the marina and the mooring field. And I'm the only one in here. It's got a bathroom, kitchen. Somebody left some bananas on the counter because, you know, they're bad luck on a boat, but who knows, they might go good in my smoothie. Anyway, it's open 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., so I think just office hours. And it's a really nice space. Wi-Fi. I'm gonna get some work done. I'm here in the mooring field. Our boat is back there at the marina in Loreto. And I don't know, it's 7:30 in the morning. Look at those mountains. A lot of people were worried about me that I would get here and wouldn't have anything to do. I think I'm gonna be fine. This morning I was invited over to coffee at 8 o'clock on a boat in the mooring field. So we've already been out to dinner with some folks here. So there's still a community here. It's a little smaller than what we're used to, but I think this is gonna be great. But look at Las Gigantas, the mountains. They're so beautiful. Anyway, this is a beautiful, beautiful spot here. So Gilligan has adjusted just fine to the Loreto docks, right? But look at our view. Hey, hi.
Hey, hi.
We're gonna get off the dock today. This will be
Yeah.
the first time since Pat's.
Well, since we got here, and then Nordhavn, the taco run showed up, so we hung out with those guys, and then I got the staph infection.
Right, so he's wounded still, but he's been kind of down for a few days, so.
I've been on pretty heavy antibiotics, so.
Yeah, so we're gonna just take it easy, go check out the area, not even an overnight, just go cruise the area and
Yeah, go do a couple hour loop. And
exercise the boat, exercise us. It's a beautiful day out there, so see how long Pat can handle. And let's go for a cruise.
hey, hi.
So, the Loreto area, Sea of Cortez, we've been up here, I don't know, 10 days or so. Is that about
A
right?
little longer than that, no.
Maybe. Well, we left 2 weeks ago, but
Yeah.
2.5 weeks. So anyway, we love it up here, right?
It's unbelievable. The scenery, everything. The water, yeah.
The climate, and there'll be winds.
Radio.
Sorry, radio's up. There'll be things we dislike. It will get colder, but we're kind of okay with that. We've been in hot weather for so long.
This morning was 60 degrees Fahrenheit.
I know I had sleeves on when we left the dock. You saw that. But we love it up here. We're just kind of checking out anchorages. Where are we gonna go? Where do we want to go visit? Just exploring. But
Yeah, we just did one. We left Escondido, and it's 20, 30 minutes just outside the bay to this little one called Honeymoon Cove. And my God, we'll do that one quite a bit, I think.
yeah, and then Pat falls apart, and the
Total went to shit.
He went to shit. So today's the first day he's feeling up and ready. Thank goodness he hasn't had to work over the last week.
Yeah.
He would have been homesick for not a fun reason. So, yeah.
Don't get a staph infection.
Right. They're dumb.
Highly recommend against that.
Yeah. We're quite a ways from any medical care here.
That is probably the one downside to being up here is the facilities and everything is just, it's a lot more sparsely
Remote.
populated.
There's
Remote.
not a major hospital. There's lots of clinics up here in Loreto. I mean, it
Yeah.
still would have taken a half-hour car ride. Next biggest hospital's down in La Paz, and so
Yeah.
that's a good 5-hour car ride or 16-hour boat ride. So,
Yeah.
but we definitely would want to be anchoring out tonight. But we are going to go get our car tomorrow which entails us flying to Los Angeles.
Nothing's easy.
Right, it couldn't be simple. We'll fly to Los Angeles tomorrow. We have to stay the night. There's no way to do this in one day. And then from Los Angeles, we'll fly to Puerto Vallarta, where we'll get our car, and then we'll drive to Mazatlan, which is about 5.5 hours or so by car. And then we'll get in a ferry that will bring us across the Sea of Cortez again, which we just did, but they do it in like 12 hours.
It's an overnight passage. So
Yeah.
we'll get the car on, eat some dinner, and then go to bed, wake up, we're in La Paz.
We'll be in La Paz, which is just about a 5-hour car ride
Yeah.
from here. So 3-day whirlwind trip of getting the car. It's just, we need it up here. It's so remote. We've done the taxis a couple of times because we've needed to go into
It's
town.
expensive.
And from here to town, it's a 20-minute drive, but it's like a $60 cab ride. And so you don't want to do that too often. So having the car will be nice, but
Plus it'll give us, when the north winds are blowing, you really can't be out here because it gets really rough. So those days we're going to go inland, we'll hike, we'll drive, we'll explore.
Yeah,
So
go do things.
Won't be marina bound.
Yes, which is good.
Yeah.
Anyway, so we're just out enjoying the scenery, hoping the whales have showed up. Apparently we haven't seen them yet, but the blue whales, right?
I think
The
so.
biggies.
The big ones. Yeah.
So-
They migrate and I think reproduce up here
Yeah,
along with the humpbacks, but I think the humpbacks mostly go to Vallarta.
yeah. We talked
Down
about
there.
dropping anchor for the day, but with Pat still in recovery mode, every time you do something new, there's always a risk of something going wrong, and on a normal day, that's fine. We can handle that, but let's just let him rest, yeah?
Good morning.
All right, here we are at our morning walk in Marina Puerto Escondido, and we have been here almost,
It's a month.
no,
Well, I mean, we left a month ago. So.
we left a month ago. We left Banderas Bay a month ago, but Marina Puerto Escondido is going to be our base for the next 5-6 months because we do need that airport. He is flying out to work today.
Wah, wah, wah.
Sad. So while he's at work, it means we're going to be at the marina. And then hopefully when he comes home, we'll have good weather window
we
and
can
not
go
super
anchor.
windy, and we can go anchor. And that's the good part about Marina Puerto Escondido is its location.
Yeah, there's easily 24 anchorages within a few hours from here.
Yeah, so there's so many spots we can go to. So that's definitely the major overarching positive
Yeah.
of this area. That it can be a little tricky because of its location. It's very isolated. There's no town here at the marina.
Yeah.
Closest town is Loreto, which is
about, what, 20-minute
25-minute.
cab ride. There's no cabs here. So if you need to get to town, you need to call a cab, or the marina will call a cab. So they have to come from town to here and then back. So
And that happened last week, and the cab was 25 minutes late for an airplane we were trying to catch. So we did go get our car. You'll see that in a future episode because that was quite the whirlwind experiment. But the other, with this being isolated, grocery stores are a trek, and so is medical care. We needed medical care last week.
Dun, dun, dun.
I know it got we're both okay, but
Define okay.
well, we're mostly okay. But we did need scalpels and things in our med kit and didn't have them, but everything's fine.
Everything's good.
Anyway, guys, don't forget, like, hype, subscribe, buy merch. I'll put the link up here, but we've got all the t-shirts and the sweatshirts and the shot glasses and the Gilligan, the Fat Boat Cat book on Amazon. So go get your stuff. All right. Have a good one, guys.
Cheers.